of today, the reality here in Switzerland as nursing Ausbildung here in Switzerland. So, as I've mentioned, 50% yung school days, 50% yung um, magtatrabaho ka sa isang Betrieb. It's either hospital, clinic, or nursing home. So, as of now, nasa workplace ako ngayon, and then may learn bigla itong ako. Learn bigla itong dito sa ano is parang something like sasamahan ka ng CI mo the entire half day, and then may after that i-check niya kung how you do the work for the entire half day, and then after that may betrieb kayo or may work kayo for half. Like what I did as of now, nandito ako sa Lernderzimmer namin. So sa mga nag-Ausbildung, may own room kami kung saan maggawa kami ng projects or mag-study or matulog kami dito, ganun. So ako na yung mag-isa dito. So ito yung Ausbildung room namin. Napakaganda. Ako lang mag-isa kasi every month, once a month, may learn bigla itong ako. So, and then sa aming betrieb, sa aming trabaho, sa workplace namin is dapat ikaw lang talaga yung that day na mag-schedule na may learn bigla itong. So, ganun lang. Kaya andito ako. Wala akong trabaho. But I'm studying right now and answering all your questions, guys. So if you have lots of questions, clarification, or any violent reaction, guys, you can comment down below and I'm happy to answer all of those. See ya!